Sorry. Sitting here, just watching trees blow. You know, Thursday afternoon. Was just eating a hamburger from Jack in the Box. Shout out to Jack in the Box. Love your food. You know, anybody ever get hungry, go to Jack in the Box. They got a new little, French fry deal, $3. Not too bad, Check it out. You guys ever get hungry, for all you stoners, guys drunk, want something greasy, stop at Jack, man. They'll hook you up. Excuse me. It's a nice day. I like to sit here and watch, the trees move to the wind. Just sit out here and think how peaceful it is and get away from everything, all the loud noise, all the loudness. Just relax, listen to the birds, listen to nature, man. It's something that we take granted for. Just come out and relax. Enjoy yourself.